We often go through life on autopilot, moving from one task to another without much thought. We react to situations instead of choosing our responses, often feeling like we're just going through the motions. This can leave us feeling lost or unfulfilled, as if something important is missing from our lives. But what if there's a way to understand ourselves better, a method to uncover the deeper layers of our being, to live with more purpose and intention, aligning our actions with our true desires and values? That's where self-deduction comes in. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Think of your life as a mystery novel, filled with clues waiting to be uncovered. You are both the detective and the case, piecing together the story of who you are. Self-deduction is about piecing together clues about your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It's a journey of self-exploration. It's about understanding why you do the things you do and believe the things you believe. This awareness can lead to profound insights. This journey of self-discovery is essential for a fulfilling life. It helps you connect with your true self. When you know yourself deeply, you can make choices aligned with your values. This leads to a more authentic and satisfying life. You can build stronger relationships as understanding yourself helps you understand others better. You can design a life that truly reflects who you are, creating a personal environment that supports your growth. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure of self-deduction? Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries within. One of the simplest yet most powerful tools for self-deduction is journaling. Don't worry, you don't need to be a writer to benefit from it. Just think of it as a conversation with yourself on paper. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Then, just start writing. Write about your day, your feelings, your dreams, your fears. As you write, pay attention to recurring themes or patterns. Are there certain situations that trigger negative emotions? Do you have beliefs that are holding you back? Journaling can help you uncover these hidden aspects of yourself. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. The most important thing is to be honest with yourself and write from the heart. Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, believed that the unexamined life is not worth living. He developed a method of questioning that can help us challenge our assumptions and uncover deeper truths about ourselves. This method, known as the Socratic method, involves asking yourself probing questions. For example, let's say you're feeling anxious about a presentation. Instead of dwelling on the anxiety, ask yourself, what specifically am I anxious about? Is this anxiety based on facts or just my thoughts? What's the worst that could happen and how likely is it? By questioning your thoughts and beliefs in this way, you can start to see them more objectively. You can challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with more empowering ones. To truly understand ourselves, we need to go beyond surface-level observations. This means delving into the depths of our minds and hearts, where our true selves reside. It's not just about what we see in the mirror, but what lies beneath the surface. We need a framework for deep self-analysis. This framework acts as a guide, helping us navigate the complex landscape of our inner world. It provides structure to our introspection, ensuring we cover all essential aspects of our being. Here are 4 key areas to explore: beliefs, patterns, values, and emotions. Each of these areas offers unique insights into who we are and why we behave the way we do. Beliefs. Our beliefs shape our perceptions and influence our choices. They are the lens through which we view the world. Understanding our beliefs can help us see why we react to situations in certain ways. Identify your core beliefs about yourself, others, and the world. Write them down and reflect on them. Are these beliefs empowering you or holding you back? Are these beliefs serving you or limiting you? Challenge the ones that limit you and reinforce those that serve you well. This process can lead to profound personal growth. Patterns. We all have patterns in our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. These patterns can be both positive and negative. Recognizing them is the first step towards change. Become aware of your recurring patterns, especially those that lead to negative outcomes. Ask yourself, what triggers these patterns? Understanding the triggers can help you break free from them. What triggers these patterns, and how can you break free from them? Consider new ways of thinking and behaving that can replace these old patterns. This can lead to healthier and more fulfilling habits. Values. Your values are your guiding principles. They are the standards by which you live your life. Knowing your values can help you make decisions that are in alignment with your true self. They represent what's most important to you in life. Reflect on your values and consider how they influence your daily actions and long-term goals. When you live in alignment with your values, you experience greater fulfillment and purpose. This alignment brings a sense of peace and satisfaction that is hard to achieve otherwise. Emotions are powerful indicators of our needs and desires. They can guide us towards what truly matters to us. Paying attention to your emotions can reveal a lot about your inner world. Pay attention to your emotional responses. Notice how different situations make you feel. These feelings are messages from your subconscious, telling you what you need to address. What are they trying to tell you about yourself and your situation? Reflect on these emotions and consider what changes you might need to make in your life to better align with your true self. By exploring these 4 areas, you can gain a deeper understanding of who you are at your core. This journey of self-discovery is ongoing, but with this framework, you have a reliable guide to help you navigate it. Here are some techniques to shatter limiting patterns. Once you've identified limiting patterns in your life, it's time to break free from them. These patterns can be deeply ingrained, often stemming from past experiences or learned behaviors. But with the right techniques, you can overcome them and create a more fulfilling life. Here are 3 powerful techniques that can help you shatter these limiting patterns and unlock your true potential. First, cognitive behavioral techniques, or CBT. This method is widely used by therapists and has been proven effective in changing negative thought patterns. CBT focuses on challenging and reframing negative thought patterns. For instance, if you often think, "I'm not good enough," CBT encourages you to reframe this thought to something more positive like, "I am capable and worthy of love and success." This shift in thinking can have a profound impact on your self-esteem and overall outlook on life. Second, reverse engineering. Start with your desired outcome and work backward. This technique helps you create a clear roadmap to your goals. Identify the steps you need to take to achieve that outcome. By breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps, you make the process less overwhelming and more achievable. This method not only keeps you organized but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. And third, visualization. Our minds are powerful tools for change. Visualization involves imagining yourself achieving your goals and living the life you desire. Spend time each day visualizing yourself living the life you desire. The more vividly you can see it, the more likely you are to achieve it. This practice can boost your motivation and keep you focused on your goals. The more vividly you can see it, the more likely you are to achieve it. Visualization can also help reduce anxiety and increase your confidence. Remember, change takes time and effort. It's important to be patient with yourself and recognize that progress may be slow but steady. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory is a step towards breaking free from limiting patterns and achieving the life you desire. Outsmarting your inner critic. Overcoming barriers to self-knowledge. On the path to self-discovery, you'll likely encounter some roadblocks. Your inner critic might try to hold you back with self-doubt and fear. Here's how to overcome these barriers. Bias and emotional traps. We all have biases that color our perceptions. Learn to recognize your biases and challenge them with logic and evidence. Fear of change. Change can be scary, but it's also an opportunity for growth. Embrace change as a natural part of life. Take small, manageable steps to reduce overwhelm. Overthinking. While reflection is important, overthinking can lead to paralysis. Set time limits for analyzing situations. Focus on finding solutions and taking action. Remember, you are stronger than your fears. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. From insight to action. Applying self-awareness in everyday life. Self-awareness is not just about introspection. It's about using that knowledge to improve your life. Here are some practical applications. Relationships. Communicate more effectively by understanding your own needs and the needs of others. Practice empathy and active listening. Career. Choose a career path that aligns with your values and passions. Find work that brings you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Health. Make healthier choices by understanding your relationship with food, exercise, and stress. Decision-making. Make better decisions by aligning your choices with your values and long-term goals. By applying self-awareness in these areas, you can create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. The journey continues. Cultivating a mindset of continuous growth. Self-deduction is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Here's how to cultivate a mindset of continuous growth. Routine self-audits. Regularly reflect on your progress. What have you learned about yourself? What areas need further exploration? Lifelong learning. Embrace new experiences and seek out knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage in conversations that challenge your perspectives. Adaptability. Be open to change and growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Remember, the more you learn about yourself, the more you realize there's always more to discover. As you embark on this journey of self-deduction, remember these words. I am a work in progress, constantly evolving and discovering. Each thought, action, and emotion is an opportunity to understand myself better and live a life true to my essence. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the incredible depths of who you are.